Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're a parent, you know that stains and messes happen all the time. So, one of the most important things that I need to have is a stain remover. This one from Miss Mouths is so perfect. This cleaned off berry stains on a towel so easily, you could see them disappearing while I was spraying it. I love that it is a nice convenient size, so it is perfect for either keeping in my laundry room or in my bag for on the go. This stain had been on this robe for a while. I was not at all confident that it would come out. I just wet it first and then applied the stain remover and washed it like normal, and it came out. I don't even know what this stain was, and I was so excited about it. My son loves orange noodles, and he got it all over one of his best sets of pajamas. So I was so happy that this took it out, no problem.
Whether you're a parent or just someone who gets a lot of stains, I highly recommend this stain treatment. It is so perfect, and I love the nice convenient size for either on the go or keeping in your laundry room. This is the most handy thing, and I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.